What's up YouTube? You know it's your boy Mr. Stocks on the Go, and we are back with a brand new video, guys. As you can see, we have upgraded the whole settings. I am on the screen right now. This is very new to me, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and chop it up, guys. So this is the portfolio update, the weekly portfolio update, guys, and now we're currently sitting at $5,985.53. That's a total in the portfolios between the different accounts. And today we're just going to take a look at the penny stock portfolio and the TFSA. So let's jump into the TFSA first. The RSP, guys, I haven't really made any buys, any sells in that account, so nothing really much to update on right now. As you can see, the TFSA portfolio on the Canadian side of stuff, we're currently sitting at $2,946.54, and on the US side of stuff, guys, we are at $1,413.64. So let's start off with the Canadian holdings and we'll go through the portfolio from there. So as you can see, on the day we're down $6.49. On the week we're down we're up 1%, which is $20. On the month we're up 2%, which is $60.16. On the 3 month we're up 3%, which is $72.14. On the year we're up 2%, $49.67, and all time, guys, we are up $49. That's 2%. All right, so let's take a look at the holdings in the portfolio. As you can see, we have ATD. ATD has been performing very good. It's currently at $81 Canadian now, $81.70. As you can see, this account I'm up 5.79%. So I got 5 shares. Dollarama, as you guys can see, Dollarama is up 5.67%. It's equivalent to $16. I think my average price in Dollarama is, I think, 93, around there. I think that's what I bought it for. Yeah, 93 cents, $93.89. Sorry about that. So yeah, I will be looking to grab Dollarama if it pulls back. Amazing company, by the way. Enbridge, we have 5 shares. GFL, I will be adding 2 GFL. I did sell one of the shares on Friday. That was an emergency sell because I had to reshuffle around some funds to buy another stock that was really down. And once we get to the US side of stuff, guys, I will show you what stock that is. But yeah, I will be accumulating more GFL shares. This is a waste management company, guys. I'm sure you might have seen all these green bins around in Toronto. If you have, comment in the comment section. Let me know if you've seen a GFL garbage bin before. These guys are really structuring out themselves very fastly in Toronto and in the GTA. So I really like that, how they're expanding fast, guys. It shows a lot of growth potential in the future. All right. Next up is QQC. QQC has been performing good, as you guys know. It's now sitting at $27, up 4.80%. So it's doing really good. Next up is Royal Bank of Canada, also doing good. I think the financial sector hasn't really kicked in as yet to start that real bull run, but I will have shares and keep accumulating shares of Royal until then. TD, I do think super undervalued. I do try to pick up as much shares as I can in this account, because I do have a good amount of TD in my RSP account and also in my Questrade account. So I'm not trying to be too heavily weighted in the financials, but my gosh, guys, it's TD we're talking about. Like, this is a bank that I know for sure has a lot of growth potential in the future. So, you know what I mean? That's what you're investing for future gains, right? Next up, we're going to take a look at XEI. And this is also another reason why I don't want to go too heavy with financials. Because as you guys also know, XEI is heavily weighted in financials, right? Uh, Nothing much to speak about for XEI. It was doing pretty well last week, but this week looks like it's just running a little flat. Now for ZSP, that I cannot say. ZSP has been performing magnificent, guys, and it is up to $71 right now and 3 cents. Absolutely love this ETF. Just trying to think, like, I definitely want to get 10 shares of this ETF short term. I'm now at 7, so not a long way to go, but I would love a pullback to about $68. That would be amazing. I think that's the main thing with a lot of investors. We want these companies and we want these ETFs, but always seems like the days that I have cash to buy ETFs or stocks, they're going all the way up, and the days that I'm just trying to just look at what's going on, I'd be happy if it was green on those days, because I have no cash. But those are the days that it's red and you have no cash, and you're looking at your portfolio like, oh my gosh, I could have bought that, I could have bought that. But yeah, that's it for the Canadian side of stuff. Let's go over to the US side of stuff, guys. Okay, now this is where it gets a little more interesting. As you guys know, I love US stocks. I try to keep my portfolio 50-50. Right now, I'm kind of overweighted with the Canadian side of stuff, but in due time, we'll get there. As you can see, Google, 2 shares. Let's look at the performance though. So for the day, we're down $6.62. The week, we are up 2%. Month, we are down 2%. 3 month, we're up 2%. 1 year, we're up 2%, and all time up 2%. All right, so we have Google. We'll be looking to grab some more Google shares. As you can see, I have 2 right now, guys, which is it's pretty good for this size portfolio. Microsoft, haven't got that 1 share yet, still working towards it. But as you can see, Microsoft has been just killing it. Like, they literally jolted up and sitting literally under $400 a share. So good thing I started buying early. Now for the stock that I did sell in my Canadian side of the portfolio, which was GFL, guys, I did sell that stock so I could accumulate some more Neo Inc. Right, Neo, I saw Neo at, what was it, $5, under $5, guys, and I was like, oh my gosh, the things Wall Street will do to scare you away. Absolutely, I know this company is a great company, guys. I have so much shares of this company. I have in my MooMoo account, I have in my Questrade account. And also, guys, if you like to check out and support the channel, you can also check out the links in the description for MooMoo Canada and also Wealthsimple Trade, where as you sign up, make a deposit, you get a cash bonus to help you out on your investment journey. You just can't beat those deals. All right, guys. So as I was saying, yeah, Neo, I saw it at $5.89 and I just had to buy it. I couldn't. I had to. So I bought some more. For the YouTube portfolio, we're now sitting at 30 shares, average cost $6.79. And if it's this low on Monday, I might grab another 10. Who's to tell, guys? But as I said, amazing company. If you don't know much about Neo Inc., guys, please do your research. This company is innovative. It is changing the way we look at electric vehicles. Mark my words. All right. And I definitely think that this year will be a big year for Neo. The last time NEO hit $6 was back in, what was it, June of 2020. And immediately after that, guys, what happened? What happened? Let's take a look and see if we can find this. June of 2020. June 2020. Right here, guys. As you can see, June 2020. And then what happened? We skyrocketed. And this time, I don't think we'll be coming back down, or we'll be having that big pullback that we did afterwards, leading us back down to here. I think NEO will start making its move up and to rub shoulders with some of the other guys. You know, we got X-Bang, we got all these Liado, all these guys doing stuff. But guys, I see no other company but NEO. And I also own shares of Tesla, but that's because Tesla has the moat right now when it comes on to EVs. They are the most dominant EV company. So yes, I would like to have some of my portfolio weight with the biggest right now, and then I'd like to have my portfolio also weighed with the potential next so I definitely have my eyes on NEO, and I can see a lot of great things for it for 2024. The other stock that is surprising me, guys, I know it would do good, but started out early, started surprising me pretty early. As you can see, PayPal 7% up currently. Let's take a look at PayPal, guys. Absolutely love this move. As you can see, we opened the day down here at about $62, $62.96, and we just gunned it. Oh my gosh, PayPal, beautiful performance. Beautiful performance. It has become so stagnant in my account that I just stopped looking at it for a while. I was just like, okay, PayPal, it's gonna go up to 61, come back down. So I was just trying to accumulate shares in that period of time, guys. And so said, so done. Here comes PayPal pulling down the doors. And I want to say hats off to the CEO. Amazing guy. I think that we are in great hands, guys. Definitely do think we're in great hands. So 61.47 is my average cost. If I see a pullback in PayPal, am I buying more shares? Yes, I am. All right, so let's look what's next. We have SEHD. I still continue to pick up shares of SEHD and Tesla. I recently started buying more Tesla shares. I'm just waiting for a nice pullback to about $197 around there. But I've still been buying the dips. Like I've been buying around 208, 209. I've been nibbling shares a bit, so nothing big, but I've been making small increment buys. So once we see that big dip, guys, I will be just loading the boat, getting a whole share, and that will be my objective for 2024, to own like 2 shares of Tesla. It is pretty volatile, so I don't really want to do too much with it, but yeah. So that's it, guys, for the TFSA portfolio. Let's head over to the non-registered speculative plays. Okay, so this one's crazy, guys. Let me know if you have any of these penny stocks in your portfolio also. So as you can see, guys, we have ESE Entertainment, FLT, VIK, and those are the companies in this portfolio. We are currently down 3% on the day. We're up 5% on the weekend. This portfolio has only been around for approximately a week, guys, so no need to go further back. It would probably say the same 5%. All right, so that's where we're at. Let's take a look at the holdings. ESE up 20%. Like, these penny stocks are just crazy, guys. FLT up 7.35%. VIK is down 8%. And I'm not sure if you guys know what these companies are. And guys, please don't just go buying a stock because you see it in this portfolio. These are definitely not the ones to be doing that with. These are penny stocks, very volatile. And I'm just doing an experiment with this portfolio. So I'm going to definitely see if we can hit $1,000 on this portfolio with just swing trading and stuff like that. All right, and it will just be penny stocks in this portfolio. So ESE is a capital pool company which engages in businesses of identifying and evaluating opportunities for acquisitions of an interest in asset or business. It operates through the following segments: digital media and entertainment, telecommunications, call centers. So that's basically ESE Entertainment. That's what they're about. All right. And we all know one of Canada's favorite penny stocks, Drone Delivery Canada, ticker symbol FLT, currently at 36 cents, guys. I definitely want to see this pull back to about 29 cents. That's where I would want to get in. 29 cents, 25, and I'll just start loading the boat, definitely, and move from there. So that's about it for the updates, guys, when it comes on to the penny stock portfolio and the TFSA portfolio, guys. I want to thank you all for rocking with me on this portfolio update. Stay invested, stay building out that generational wealth. Please remember to also smash that like button. Check out the links in the description, guys, for ways to support this channel and for easy ways to make some quick cash. You know, it's your boy, Stocks on the Go, and I am out.